Hi, I'm Christina Monty Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple 10-minute strawberry basil dessert. This is so easy, so fast, and so delicious. You're going to want to check this out. Okay, so here are the ingredients for my 10-minute strawberry basil dessert. You want 1 pound of strawberries washed, 1 lemon, we're going to zest this, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm not using organic sugar because I want to keep the color of the strawberries nice and bright and pretty pinkish reddish. So I've found that when I use white sugar, it works a little bit better. And it's just 2 tablespoons, so it's not that much sugar. And then I just do a handful of fresh basil leaves. So step number 1, you just want to cut the tops of the strawberries off, put them in a garbage bowl. And then I quarter the strawberries. This is a little time consuming, but not that bad. So if you just quarter them by this simple process. First cut off the top, then you just want to quarter it, and then toss it in your mixing bowl, okay? So easy, so fast. Once that's done, I'm just going to add the zest, the lemon zest, and the sugar, and the basil. It's that fast. It's that fast, that simple, you guys, okay? All right, so just a few more strawberries to cut and we're good to go. So here's the strawberries. It's 1 pound of strawberries, washed and quartered. So we're gonna use some lemon zest and some lemon juice. So I'm just gonna roll this just to get it all, ready to get juiced. You are doing a recipe with citrus, super important. I'm sure you already know this, but I'm just gonna say it. Roll it, kind of get the juice nice and ready to go, and then do your zesting first and then your juicing second. You don't want to juice and then be later trying to get the zest off of a citrus that you've cut up, because that's kind of a bummer. And I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt. All right, so now we're just going to do a little bit of lemon zest on the berries, and then I'm going to toss it with the sugar and basil, and then you want to let it sit for about 20 minutes. Okay. Zest away here. Next, I'm gonna add my sugar and then toss the berries. Here we go. Gently toss the berries. Do not be abrupt with them. That will be really sad because they will not be happy with you. And yeah, so just give them a gentle toss with like a big wide spoon, just evenly coating all of the sugar and the lemon zest onto your berries, and then you want to just set them aside as you're getting ready for your your summertime picnic party, however you're entertaining, or whatever meal you're serving. Just set them aside while you're doing something else, and they'll release their water while the strawberries are just sitting and resting and in their happy lemon zest and sugar. I'm going to chiffonade the basil. So here I have some fresh basil. Oh, it's so good. I just love basil so much. Okay, so we're gonna take the basil. I'm just gonna kind of stack the leaves like this on top of each other, all right? And we're gonna chiffonade it. So we're just gonna roll into a little cigar. It's gonna look like a little cigar. And then we're just gonna grab the knife with the thumb on one side, forefinger kind of curved around, and you're just gonna do little tiny cuts. So I have used most of this, and I'm going to now drop it into this bowl with my strawberries, and then I'm gonna toss it one more time and do a little bit more lemon zest, and then it's good to go. Okay, so we've added the basil, I've added the lemon zest, so it's basically I used all the zest off this lemon. I like a lot of basil, so I'm gonna do 1 full handful. But if you want to do half the basil or a pinch, totally up to you. So I'm just going to give it a quick toss. Okay, so here it is, my 10-minute strawberry basil dessert. It's ready. I'm just going to taste one to make sure, everything is perfect. Oh my God. It's beyond delicious. I love having the lemon with the basil in here. Oh my goodness. Anyways, amazing. So simple, so pretty. And then I just like to serve it in a pretty bowl. Of course, you can serve it in any bowl you want. I'm just funny about my plates and bowls. I love it to be a certain way. Okay, and there it is, so gorgeous. There you have it, my 10-minute strawberry basil dessert, just in time for summer. I hope you make this at your next gathering. And remember to like, save, share, let me know what you think. You can also do this with mint if you wanted to do it with fresh mint. I just love the strawberry basil lemon combination. There is nothing like it. I love it, love it, love it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember, you are deeply loved by God.